Hello from the land of moose, fika, and IKEA. This is Estee, your Singaporean friend living in Sweden. After staying here for 27 years in North Sweden, I think I have mastered the art of slow living. Of course, I still have this sambal in my soul and the soya sauce in my vein. But today, I'm going to bring you along for a peaceful day living in my countryside cottage. From harvesting homegrown Pak Choy, making it into this spicy Pak Choy kimchi, I also will be cooking Bak Kut since it's raining. And towards the end, I'm going to be crafting a clay octopus candle holder like a true kampong Picasso. First, let's go to the garden and I'll show you my Pak Choy. Don't know why my Pak Choy is not that fat and juicy. But I think it still can be eaten lah, right? It's organic anyway and it's no pesticide in it. And because it is no pesticide, those worms and insects like to come and eat the veggie. So no choice lah, have to pin my eyes on each leaf, making sure that there is no worms. I know, maybe some of you will say, "Aiya, worms, extra protein ma." So if you guys can eat worms, thumbs up to you, but I can't, okay? And you might wonder, is it worth planting your own Pak Choy? Of course, because I haven't been buying vegetables from the supermarket for a while now. I grow this Pak Choy from seed. Every morning I talk to it like an old auntie nagging at her kid. Grow faster! But this plant is more than veggie. It's my connection to home, and growing it myself under the Nordic sun reminds me I can thrive anywhere, even here. You can take a girl out of Asia, but you can't take Asia out of the soil. Making kimchi is like a therapy. You cut, you mix, you massage. You slow down, you smell and taste everything, and when it feels right, you stop. When I was younger, I always rush and stress. Now, I let the flavors sit in. Like memories I don't want to forget. You see, raining again. Nothing like a Bak Kut on a cold Swedish day. But one sip, boom, suddenly I'm back in Geylang. Bak Kut, this one is my heart food. When my mother made it, the whole house would smell like warm and home. And now when I make it, it is for healing, comfort and strength. And those herbs, the angelica root, tangui, goji berry, they are not only added depth, they also balance the body, especially when it's cold weather like now. It's like hugging yourself from the inside. Thank God, finally it's time to eat. Many of you ask me, have I ever missed Singapore? Of course. But with the flavors of Singapore from my bowl, somehow it comforts me. Even when the food is not 100% authentic. Art doesn't have to be pretty all the time. This octopus is a sodong, but it has character, okay? Life in this Swedish cottage isn't perfect, but it is peaceful and it is mine. Every Pak Choy leaves, every bowl of Bak Kut, every moment of silence, it's healing me slowly. Thank you for walking this little path with me today. If you like this video, give it a like. Share it with someone who might need peace. And maybe one day I'll see you here.